for the season.
I want to order one for me. Sabihin ko natin po. Yeah. Good.
Sir, what do you like so much?
Ano man?
Ladder.
Ladder.
Mag-montage ka kasi at least meron kami sa 15 seconds kada week. Yung montage na ginagawa nila, sorry
Pero ito kung broadside sa sound, yan yung first time talaga na join singer. Yung naisip ko na rin mo ng transfer after siya.
Thank you so much.
Welcome home. Good day, Mike.
Oh my god.
Too nice. Is that Metaverse?
Chef Ivan's gonna be the one to. This is one of the 3 broadside platters that we have.
Right.
Okay, this one is signature pork knuckle, sauerkraut, potato salad, our signature sausages, and our honey Bavarian ribs. Just for tonight. This one we really don't need. Okay? You only need it to listen to this. I don't know if your mics can. Do you hear that? That is not crispy pata. Okay? Now, you don't really need the knife. It's so tender. It takes 3 days to make, lots of beer to make, takes 3 days to make each knuckle. All you have to do is grab the 2 bones and you go like this.
Parang hindi naman muna iulitin sa amin.
See? Twist lang. And you get it chopped. Yes? So, who wants the first piece? With the nice...
Ladies first.
The nice juicy interior and the nice skin. Hot. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you,
This is
Chef.
Metaverse, Chef. This one.
So okay, so this is the Thuringer sausages, which is kind of like a signature recipe from Thuringer in Germany. Garlic sausage, spicy chicken sausage, pork sausage with cheese, and the farmer sausage.
And a partridge in a pig. I just moved before this. I came from Friday. Pero ano lang, pinipigil lang. I was with Rina. Kasi yung platter for 4. Yung platter for 4.
Kuha mo na kayo, ma'am.
John, may soft drinks.